Hi friends, good morning. Today I am going to show you, unboxing of, of an electronic digital scale actually, which is used to, weigh the weight of human bodies up to 200 kgs, I guess. And this is a brand which I purchased from Flipkart of an electronic digital scale, and you can see there is an image on top of the box, and it is actually a made in India product. You can see here, and it has different features inbuilt. Actually, there is a black LED light in a display which will help us to view the weight more clearly, and temperature display which shows us the current environment temperature details, and the thickness of that particular weighing scale, that's 25 actually, which is very slim body. Yes, I feel it's very slim and premium quality, and it's a tempered glass. It's very strong actually. I have tested it, so and it works fine. But let me just show you guys in how it works. Okay, and the display is of size 73 by 28.3 It's a very good display to see, and if you see, it has a branding on the sides, and on the back side you can see it again, the different variants, how many sensors are there, and then if you observe here, there are a lot of things which they have provided. So that's about it, and up to maximum 180 kg it supports, and it requires two pieces of AAA battery. Okay, basically they will include these two batteries as part of this pack. Okay, and you can change, even it will give you the battery indication, okay, how much it is there left, so that user can change the batteries as and when it drains out. And there is something called unit changes, where you can change required units, whether you want the measurements in kgs or and different variants, LBs or STs. Okay, and there is auto on and off. For example, by default it will be on. If you put pressure or weight on that scale, it will automatically gets on, and if you remove the weight on that, it will gets off. So that will actually help us to save the battery. So this is all about box of that. And now let's jump into the actual product. Okay, so this is the actual product which I bought it. Okay, let me just take you to parts of that product. This is one of the thermocol which we got it to protect that. Okay, and let me just show you the different options which they provided. So if you see here, this has 4 grippers actually, which will help for gripping, and then there are 4 sensors sits in 4 corners, which will help to measure the weight, exact weight. Okay, and there is something here you can see. I'm just removing this part, and I can just show you. So these are the 2 AAA batteries which we need to configure, and they will be providing in this 2 pack in this product, and you can just lock this with this. Now after this, there is one button called here. This is called changing a unit. So currently you have kg. By default it will be set as kgs, and if you want, you can just press it so that the display on top unit will be varied. Okay, and this is all about it, and it gives some instructions manual here, okay, which will help you to understand what is it all about. Now let me just turn into the front side of this, and here so there is one nice quotation here. Yesterday you said tomorrow, something like this, and the branding here. Okay, half an art of living. Now if you see here, this is a display which they have provided, and which is by default off, and all the sensors are here on the 4 tops. Now if I just put some pressure, let me just see. When I put some pressure, it is just automatically bringing on. Okay, and if you clearly observe, it shows the temperature of my current room temperature, and let me just again press it. See, it gets automatically off. That's the beauty of automatic on and off. Once it locks the pressure, maybe you can say weight, you can see the battery indication over there, and kgs 5.9 kgs, and then 24 degrees centigrade Celsius. Okay, and coming to the measurements, basically when you press on, basically when you stand on it, it will show some weight, and it will log the reading, and it will show you. Once you remove your fingers, it will go back to the 0, and then it will get power off. See, it went to 0 back, and then it will get power off. Okay, this is all about this product, and we have tested this with my body weight as well as my home, all my family members weight. I mean, we see very accurate results. We tried 2 times. Okay, for a sample I will just show you. Basically I have already tested, but maybe once we see readings, and maybe I will share the remaining details after use of 1 or 3 months. I will try for 1 or 3 months, 1 to 3 months, and then I will upload my review after usage. But at a first go, I feel it's very good, and the quality is very good. I can see the thickness of this fiber. This very quality fiber we got it. So I'm very happy with this product. This is my initial review. So I will be providing my review after 3 months. Please stay tuned. And if you are already not subscribed, please subscribe and click on bell icon. Please share my video so that most of us will know what about this product and what is it. Thanks everyone. Bye for now. Thank you.